Hello everyone. This is a pick a card reading, and it is about what are they thinking about you or what is on their mind. It can be related to the messages here, can be related to what they are feeling about you. It can be what are they planning to do or what's going on in their head actually, which you may or may not be aware of. Or it can be about what are they up to, like their next move. It can be anything related to that, so you just take it as it resonates with you. uh, okay, so we have pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. Okay, so we have three cards in each pile, so you can just pause the video if you want to, and just see as to which pile you feel drawn to. Pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. Okay, so you can just pause the video if you wish to, and just see as to which one jumps out to you or which one you feel attracted to or drawn to. That means there is some message for you in that pile. If you're not able to do that, and if you're able to focus on two, if you're not able to choose one, then it's fine. Maybe both of the piles have some message for you. Otherwise, if you wish, you can even see all the three piles and just see whichever resonates with you. You can correlate with the situation. For those of you who are not able to sort of understand which one is resonating, then you can just see the entire video and select your situation, whichever it is. Okay, so it can be their feelings for you, it can be what are they planning to do, it can be their intentions, it can be like a message which you need to know as to what's going on in their head, something like that. So let's start. So for those of you who have chosen pile number 1, okay, so for pile number 1 we have the 4 of Pentacles, the 7 of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. So here, whosoever has chosen this pile, somebody here is getting away with something. This person is not even telling you their true feelings. They are really closed off. Okay, and you really don't know what are they actually doing. Okay, so maybe they are getting away with this. Maybe they are trying to take advantage of you. Maybe they are trying to take advantage of your emotions or whatever. But they are definitely getting away with this, and they are really not even opening up to you. Okay, I really don't think that you really don't know. Actually, they have not even committed to you. You really actually don't even know what's going on. Maybe you're just attracted to them. You want a new beginning. This person is actually wanting a new beginning also. Okay, so what I feel is maybe they are getting away with you this relationship, like they're doing something sneaky or something like that. You really don't know what they're doing, and what they're doing is they are manifesting a new beginning. They're wanting a new beginning. So this person is definitely sort of cheating on you. You can say that, because they are looking for something new. They're looking for some new relationship here. This person is not even, perhaps you don't even know about it, that this is what they're sneaking around. They are doing, perhaps they are looking for someone else. Okay, so if you are in a situation when you really don't know why this person is not talking to me, why they have stopped texting me, why they are not calling me, or why they are not committing to me, it's been such a long time in a relationship, why they are not committing to me, why this person is not opening up, why they do not tell you, give you all your answers when you talk to them about the commitment, or when you want to meet them, this person have n number of excuses. So if such is the behavior of the person, then you should understand that this person is really getting away with something. Okay, this person is not really honest to you. They are not they are really not honest to you in this relationship. They are holding their emotions close to their heart, because perhaps they really don't have any. Okay, so they really don't have anything to say, they really don't have anything to commit, they really don't have anything to open up about, and that is the only way they can get away with the situation. Because if they start talking and communicating much, then maybe they spill the beans. So perhaps that is the reason that this person is really closed off, and they are really not true to you. Okay, and they are looking out for a new beginning. So this person is really hunting for a new beginning. Okay, one more thing is, I'll be exploring the reading further on Patreon. I'll be clarifying each card with this another deck. Okay, so if whatever pile resonates with you, and if you really want additional messages, then the link for that will be given in the description box below. You can click the link and see the additional messages, whatever they are. Okay, we'll be clarifying that. Okay, so that was for pile number 1, and for extra messages, uh, the link is given in the description box below. Click that and you'll be able to listen to what actually the situation here is. For pile number 2, for those of you who've chosen pile number 2, okay, we have the 9 of swords, the lovers, and the 8 of cups. So definitely you are dealing with a relationship over here, which is perhaps, even if it started off like a soulmate energy, if everything perhaps was bright and clear and balanced and looked awesome, but as for now, I think you people are dealing with some, not some, I should say, you people are really dealing with a lot of stress here. This relationship, perhaps somebody here has options, you have options, they have options, can be one of the reason. But otherwise, even if there is no option here, still there is a lot of tension here, lot of anxiety, lot of uncertainty, lot of sleepless nights, and somebody, this person really doesn't know what's happening. There's something is definitely causing a lot of trauma here, I should say, in the, at least mental trauma here in this relationship. At least that is how they feel, and what they are, this is, somebody here really wants to make a move, somebody here wants to leave this relationship here. So this is what is on their mind. So maybe they are showing it or they are not showing it for the lovers, but you should be vigilant of the fact that there is something going around in this relationship which is causing them a lot of stress. Okay, maybe this part, the beautiful balance which was there in the initial phase of the relationship, that is not there. Maybe somebody is being dominating, or whatever is happening here, I don't know what's happening in this dynamics, but definitely the initial beauty of this relationship has been destroyed, and the balance which was there is not there. Somebody is really stressing out. This person is not able to sleep, this person is overthinking. It's really taking a toll on their health, and they really don't know what to do, how to amend it. They are really not able to find out a solution. This person doesn't actually understand what can I do except moving out of it. So that is what they're trying to do. This person wants mental peace, they will choose peace. Okay, that is what their intuition says. They cannot keep on spending these sleepless nights forever. So for them, the best solution here is they want to make a move. This person will definitely quit if things keep on going the way they are going. Okay, so the dynamics of this relationship doesn't seem to be the way it was, perhaps. Even if it may seem superficially like a soulmate energy, maybe this person may not be even telling you as to how they feel, or even if they are telling you, things are not, there is no solution to it, or the things are not getting sorted out, or you are not solving them. Okay, so the balance is, it's done. This person is done with it. Okay, they really want to make a move, and I think that is what they will be doing. They will leaving this relationship and they will go. Again, I'll be exploring and digging this reading further. I'll be taking the clarifiers and exploring as to what are the additional messages, what is the exact scenario here, what's going on. And for that, the link is given in the description box below. You can click that link and listen to the additional messages. Okay, so pile number 3, that is beautiful. So for those of you who have picked up pile number 3, who have you chosen pile number 3, we have the Two of Cups, the Justice, and the Empress. So this is a beautiful connection which has started over here. Somebody here is really very vigilant, and is somebody is very smart, I should say. Vigilant, smart, careful, logical. This person is really this person really knows how to strike a balance in the relationship, how to keep it going, how to keep it loving, how to proceed with this relationship. It's something like that, with the Two of Cups, Justice, and the Empress. This person is actually wanting to make a move ahead in this relationship. They want a new beginning over here. They want they feel that this is a relationship which is giving them a new life, a new abundance. Everything is really good here, and this person is a really smart person in a good way. They have the senses right. Okay, they are not too emotional about it, they neither are they too practical about it. So this is a person who is very balanced, sorted. They know how to take the relationship further, how to go about with the relationship in a sorted and a balanced way. Maybe this person is even straightforward. Maybe this person is a person who will say what they feel, and they will not take any crap, that is for sure. This person has a Maybe they have an intense gaze when they look at you. They have sharp eyes. They can even see what's going on within you. Maybe they have that ability and that intuitive insight that they you cannot hide anything from them. Whatever you do, if you love them, they'll know before that, okay, there are feelings stirring up within. So this person is a person who is, to me, this is a person who is really, this is a good person. I'm not saying a bad person. So getting a very beautiful vibe out here. It's like they know what they are doing. They know they are right. They know they are on the right path. They know what they are doing is right. They know what they are deciding is right. Okay, and the decision which they are taking here is that they know I'm right, so I can move on with this relationship and I know how to proceed further in this relationship. Okay, so these are the three piles over here, and again, for those of you who've chosen pile number 3, if you want additional messages over here and to see as to actually what is going to happen finally and what are the additional messages for this, then the link is given in the description box below. I'll be exploring the reading further and let's see what comes up. So for YouTube, it's fine. For those of you who it resonated, all the best, and I really hope it helps. And for those of you who want to get additional messages, do click the link in the description box below and listen to me on Patreon. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.